Come on, y'all. Come on, come here, fatty. Come here, piggy. Now, you get out of here. You're mean. You're mean. Stop it. So this is Willie. She's a big old fatty, but she's pretty gentle. She likes goodies. I don't know this one's name. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, hey, that's my hand. I just said you were gentle, and you're definitely not being gentle. I don't know what they named this one. But it's pretty chill. But then Willie's a little piggy. And then you got this one. This is Pokio, because of Pokemon. And ow, that hurts, fatty. There, there. So they live a pretty good life, especially that fat ass. Most of the ducks aren't very nice, but Willie's nice. We call her Willie because we thought she only had one eye. But it ended up just being an eye infection. You do this, they will poop on you. It's not like a dog. Hey, stop being a piglet. Some of them are more gentle than the others, but... Hey, good lord. Good lord, you piglet. Hey, Pokio. You, fatty, get the fuck out of here. Come on, get out of here. That hurts. That hurts. Stop it. Look at this. This is crazy, right? I do like this little chicken. We had another chicken, Coco, and she was just an absolute sweetheart, but she just never grew. It's like she was stunted. That one, okay, that's uncalled for. And you can't actually hit the daggum food. Get a feather or something stuck in my beard. Okay, this is just getting ridiculous. You won't have anything to do with me unless I got flipping food. Okay, no, I don't want you. See? You're a jerk. Get out of here. And then you got the big boys. Come here. This one, closest to me, that's Ollie. He's a right jerk. He hates everybody equally. He does not discriminate on the hate. Okay, here. But Everett, the big one, the one's all puffed up. Normally he'll gobble. What are you doing? But, yeah, I don't have it. And honestly, get out of there. I know I better not have got pooped on or I'm gonna be madder than a wet hen. Get out of here. Get out of here. What are you doing? Willie knows that I'll give her pretty much anything she wants. But she's such a pig. You'd think we don't feed them. You're gonna jump on me, I know you are. No, you, yep. Yeah. You gotta watch your eyes with these darn turkeys, because they'll get in almost like in a frenzy and peck at your eyes. Get out of here. Yeah, there you go. Try again. Come here, Ed. Sheila's the most food-motivated daggum turkey on the face of the earth. There you go. I think that's it. I think that's it. So there's all the well, not all the birds. That's just the chickens. I'm sorry, baby. You got everything. And yeah, one of them crapped right there. So I might have got crapped on, I don't know. With that one climbing on my back. But yeah, that's our bird. That's some of our birds. That's that pain in the butt. Oh, you don't want anything to do with me because I ain't feeding you. She fell off of a meat truck on the highway, and somebody posted her on like Nextdoor, and we went and got her. And she's a pretty thick girl, but she's kind of a pain in the butt. And then our boys over there, we had 3 boys. One of them got smoked by a pack of coyotes. But Everett's pretty big. Nothing really messes with him. And then he's a real, these 2 are just troublemakers. They're real bad. The big one killed another duck, another male duck. But yeah, these are Americanas. This one's Americana. She's super chill. But, yep, that's it.